Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. Guys, today I will tell you a special talk that is about any animal. Do you know that there was one animal that has no blood? That has not blood. Think about that. Yes, it's fish. It's fish. Fish has not blood. Fish has no blood. And Allah say in the Quran about fish too much. अल्लाह ने कुरान पाक में फ़िश का बहुत ज़िक्र किया है, बहुत ज़्यादा ज़िक्र किया है. फ़िश के बारे में सब कुछ अल्लाह ताला ने बताया है और फ़िश हमारे लिए बहुत फ़ायदेमंद है. हमें when we will eat, so we will strong, our muscles will strong, our bones will strong, so we will eat fish. Okay guys, now I will tell you a prayer. आज मैं आपको एक दुआ बताऊंगी जो कि फिश के बारे में. When we will follow the rule of this dua, so our all problem will solve. Our all problems will solve when we will follow this rule. Let's start now. First guys, I will tell you a prayer that we will use. Okay, yes guys, first we will copy the dua is that La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntum minaz zalimin. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntum minaz zalimin. Guys, हमें इन दुआ की एक गोले बनाना चाहिए. जो आटा होते हैं फ्लोर, हमें उनकी स्मॉल जो बॉल्स होती हैं वो बनानी होती है. फर्स्ट वी विल मेक स्मॉल बॉल्स एंड वी विल ऐड दिस. जो हम उसकी फोटोग्राफी करवाएंगे, when we will make a photograph, so we will add in it, and when it will complete we will total make 3125 guys. We will total make this. When our task is complete, so we will go any river where the fish lives, a lot of fish, so we will put these things in it and the fish will eat them and fish will give a lot of prayers to them. जो फिश होगी जब वो उसको खाएगी तो फिश हमें बहुत सी दुआएं देगी, फिर वो जो हमारी दुआएं होगी वो कबूल हो जाएंगी, फिर हमारी जो सारी मुश्किल्स होंगी वो फिनिश हो जाएंगी. All problems will solve. Okay guys, you will do this rule so your all problems will solve. Okay guys, you like over this video, so please like, subscribe and share. Okay, bye.